Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at a solid surface shower bath, and just to take a look at some of the features, we got a nice solid, door, gliding door, which is really nice. When it comes down to the doors, nice thickness on it. You have a 3/8, so depending on your thickness, some of them, if it's too thin, you get a little wobble to it, so it's nice and solid. As you can see here, walking in, you'll see low threshold. So what we got is we have what we call a zero threshold here, is what that is. And the zero threshold, it allows you to just be able to walk right in. And you don't have to step or go over any of those, step over your tub. And that's what's great if you're converting like tub to shower. This is great. And I mean, even just showers, because a lot of the showers that you see, some of them have higher, thresholds. So you'll see with this, there is no threshold, making it a lot easier. On top of that, so you get that accessibility, and on top of that, you have your grab bar. So what's nice with the grab bar, when you're stepping in, this is a nice feature. So, it's nice and safe. So in case you slip, you have something to hold on to. And also too, nice grab bar here as well. So while you're in the shower, you got your grab bar. Stepping in and out of your shower, you got your grab bar too. So safety, and also nice folding seat. So you'll see your seat folds right down. Seat folds right up. What's nice is, in the shower, you can sit down, relax. And you got the nice magnetic. So here, magnet, and you can use your shower here and put it right back up. So yeah, you got options like that, and that's what's nice with the new showers. You get these accessories like the seat, like the magnetic, handle set and everything else. Also, you come to shelves. What's nice is you have, the walls are all solid surface. You have nice solid surface shelves, and you can really customize it. And what's nice is with the shower bath units, you can, as you see here, 2 shelves there, 2 shelves there. There's also the niches that actually go inside the wall as well. So a lot of different features, and as you see, you got safety, it's accessible, comfortable, and you have all your different accessories and things like that that you can modify and change and customize, along with the colors too. So yeah, that's a nice solid surface shower bath unit.